Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering credentials and enabling remote access on the Mac so you can connect from Windows. Enter the Apple ID and local admin password on the Mac. Enable screen sharing or remote login in System Preferences. Once done, make sure the Mac has a static IP or a trusted dynamic DNS name. This prevents connection interruptions. You also install an SSH client or VNC viewer on Windows, so you can immediately test a local connection and verify ports and firewall settings. You now choose the access method: SSH for command line and VNC or Apple screen sharing for the graphical desktop. On Windows, open your SSH client or a VNC viewer and enter the MAC's address, then authenticate with your user account. If you are on different networks, forward the required ports or establish a VPN so traffic stays encrypted. Once connected, mount SMB shares or enable iCloud Drive to move files. This makes copying large folders and syncing preferences straightforward and reliable. You finish by tightening security and optimizing the experience. Enable two-factor authentication and adjust firewall rules to allow only necessary ports. Install Homebrew and command line tools if you need to build or run Mac OS apps from terminal sessions. Make sure display resolution and keyboard mappings are correct for comfortable use. If something goes wrong, check that the remote service is running, verify port forwarding or VPN status, and review system logs on the Mac for authentication or network errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.